Welcome. This is our app which is created specially for the home quarantine people in the state of Goa. The project members are Enid Fernandes, Jaysel Silveira, Anushka Shetty, and myself, Druvi Tendulkar. This is the project description. The main sections of the project are viewing the active COVID cases, taking the precautionary COVID test, checking for vital signs for the infected COVID patients, donating unused essentials to the NGOs, donating plasma to COVID patients, ordering food from restaurants, this is only for the COVID patients, buying essentials, important information, and lastly the feedback. Now let us look at the registration part. A form like this opens. Let me enter all the details. Let me leave the section blank as of now. When I click on submit, it says all fields should be filled. That's why we cannot leave any field empty. So let's proceed and fill the pin code. Now if I click on submit, it says you have been registered successfully. So registration is complete. Now I can go ahead and log in. To click on login. Here there is a log out button which appears, which means that I'm logged in. If I click on log out, it says logged out successfully and the login button appears, which means I'm logged out. The login has two functionalities: forgot password and reset. If by chance I forget the password, I can go here and then I can type the email ID. And click on send passcode. It says password sent successfully, so let us go and check. Here the new password has been sent to us, so let's copy that. And enter it here. Confirm. The password has been changed successfully. Similarly, I can reset my password. I can go here, enter my name, enter the current password, and now enter the new password. When I click on reset, it says password has been changed successfully. So this is my new password now.
when you go to active cases, you get this page. Here, the total cases of Goa, India, and in the entire world are given. These are the confirmed cases of Goa, deaths and recovered cases. As you can see, this information was updated last on 25th July, 2:19 a.m. IST. The same for Indian cases and globals are confirmed deaths and recovered cases. These are the graphs that show the confirmed cases. This is of Goa, this is of India. There's a graph of the number of deaths for India and Goa as well, same thing. And for India, there's a graph for vaccinations also. Let's go back. Now let's see about precautionary COVID-19 test. So in precautionary COVID-19 test, there are basically few symptoms which you have to choose from. One thing to note is that this test is not 100% accurate. It's just based on your symptoms. So few symptoms like shortness of breath, difficulty in breathing, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement, loss of taste or smell, discoloration of fingers or discoloration of toes, dry cough, sore throat, fever or tiredness or headache, body ache or joint pain. And if you met a COVID positive person few days ago or you did not meet anyone. So suppose I have loss of smell and fever and I did not meet any COVID positive person, so I won't mark it. Then if I go to check, it says based on your symptoms, you may need urgent medical care. Please go to the nearest hospital or call your healthcare provider or hotline for advice. So I'm repeating again, this test is just based on your symptoms. It's not 100% accurate.
Let's move on to the next section, which is the check vital signs. This section is only for the infected COVID patients. Firstly, we need to click on the button here which says click here if it's a new day. Here the message says enter your readings for the day. Now let me enter the readings for the morning session. I click on check now. It says your condition is good, take care. Let me go back and enter the readings for the afternoon session. Let me check. It says your condition is good, take care. Now let me go back again and add the nighttime readings. Now I click on check. It says your condition is deteriorating, get admitted at the earliest. Now at any point of time, if you get this message, it means that you need immediate medical help. I can go back anytime. I can check the readings of the day. We just need to make sure that the body temperature does not go beyond 99 and the oxygen in the pulse oximeter does not go below or equal to 94 and the pulse rate in the pulse oximeter should not be less than 94 or and greater than equal to 100. If any of these signs are shown, get admitted immediately. Now while I'm logged out, I will move on to the next section, which is donate unused essentials to the NGOs. Before going here, let's go below and see the list of some NGOs in Goa. These are the list of 5 NGOs in North Goa. These are the list of 5 NGOs in South Goa. If I click on any one of these, I get the details like the chief name, the address and the sectors. Same for the South Goa NGOs. The chief name, the address and the sectors. Now as I've said that I'm logged out, let's go to this section which says what do you want to donate. Now if I choose to donate medicines, it will take me to this page. Now this is because we need to check if the person is registered, and I was logged out so that no random people enter any details. So let me try that. If I enter some random details like some mobile number and a random password, and if I click on verify, it says user is not registered, which means you need to be registered to donate anything. So I go back here, I enter valid credentials now. And I click on verify. Now the registration is verified, so it takes me to the login page and I have to log in. When I click on login, it takes me to the donate medicines page. So I will enter the medicine name. The quantity, say 8. The date of manufacture. And the date of expiry. And the NGO name. So I can select from here. Suppose I select Amar Bharati Gram Vikas Sanstha and I say donate. It says thanks for donating. Now let us see the other section, which is oxygen cylinders. Since now I'm logged in, it will directly take me to the donation page. So let me enter the details here. Oxygen cylinder full, quantity 20, capacity 100 liters, and the NGO name. Say donate. Now let's go back and see the oximeters, mask and face shield section. Here I have to select the item, say face mask, quantity say 100, in the NGO name. When I click on donate, it says thanks for donating, so donation is successful. This is for the admin login. Now there are 4 types of admin. One is the management app management admin, which manages the overall management like sending forgotten passwords, receiving the feedback. The other one is the restaurant management manager. The other one is the restaurant. The other one is the restaurant admin, which manages the ordering, food ordering system. The third one is the NGO admin, managing the donation and receiving of unused essentials. And the fourth one is the hospital admin, which takes care of the plasma donation system. Now I will log in as the admin NGO. branches NGO and login. This is select NGO name, so I will select suppose this one and click on view. These are the details filled by the users: the name, mobile number, the type, what they're donating. Here are the medicines, this for oxygen cylinder, this for face masks and other stuff. So this, if I click on mail info to the NGO, it goes to the respective NGO. Now this is Asha Charitable Trust, so if I click here, the mail will go to this NGO. Info mailed successfully. So this has been mailed and the further process will be carried out by them. On to the next section, donate plasma to COVID patients. This is the list of COVID hospitals, the name, the number, the address. On donating plasma, we receive an e-health card, and the benefits and the details of the e-health card are mentioned here. Some of the benefits include paying pharmacy bills, using it for treatment, using it for surgery, or if we need blood from blood banks. I click on donate now. This form opens as I'm already logged in. Otherwise, similar to the donating unused essentials to NGOs, if I'm not logged in, it will ask me for verification and then log in, and then this page will open. So here are the details: who can donate plasma. You can donate if you were tested COVID positive, you've recovered and free from symptoms for 14 days, and if you're between 18 to 60 years. And here are the details why you cannot donate. So let's go ahead and fill. COVID positive, I mark no. Recovered also, I mark no. Fill in the other details. Now since I have not tested COVID positive, I cannot donate plasma. Similarly, for the diastolic blood pressure, it's outside the range. So let's go ahead to donate again and fill some other details. So for positive, I'll mark yes. Yes, fill in the other details as well. Now click on check. Since I'm eligible, it takes me to a plasma donor form. So I need to fill in the details now. And I click on submit. It says application submitted successfully. So the details have been sent to the respected officials. They will get back to you when they verify the same.
So let's go back and log out. And then we'll log into the admin account. We're going to use the hospital admin account for this. Enter credentials. Branch will be hospitals. Login. Okay, this is what displays. Now let's go to mail info to all the hospitals. These are the users that have donated till now. Let's go to mail info. Info mail successfully. Okay. Now let's input in donor's name, that is Nia Sharma. Enter donor ID. Send the health card. This is to the home quarantine, the app. gmail.com. So this is the app's official Gmail account. Subject is please find attached. I'll attach the e-card. Now I'll have to enter the hospital's email address, email ID and password. Send. Email sent successfully. Okay. I will go and check the email. So here is the email from the hospital. I'll download it. As you can see, it is getting downloaded over there. We'll go back to the app and now let's upload the e-card. So you have to enter the mobile number and select the file before uploading. Let's enter the mobile number. Now we're supposed to select the file. So I'll just drag and drop the file that I just downloaded. And upload e-card. So e-card is successfully uploaded. Now let's log out of the admin section and go and log in with the user. So first I'll log in using Abhinav Shukla, who is one of the users of the app. Let's go to donate plasma and see what we get. So there isn't any e-card notification over here since Abhinav Shukla did not donate any blood. Now let's go and log in as Nia Sharma. So she's a user who donated plasma and we just uploaded her e-card. Let's go to donate plasma to COVID patients. Here you can see there's a notification. So users who donate plasma can download their e-cards to the app itself like this. So it says it's saved. Let's go and see whether it got saved. So this is the folder I saved it in. And here is the saved e-card. So let's see the restaurant section, order from restaurant section. Here there are a list of all the restaurants that provide food to COVID positive people. These are the numbers of the phone numbers of the restaurants. These are the locations where they deliver to, and these are the meals they offer. Here you need to keep two things in mind. First is that you need to be registered to the app to use the system. The second thing is that you need to have a COVID positive certificate. So let's order. So see, I'm ordering from Casino Pride. Now I go to mail my certificate. So you should not keep anything blank, empty. You should not keep anything empty. Let's order lunch because Casino Pride only offers lunch. Go to mail. Now it takes me directly to the email section because I was already logged in. Say I was not logged in. Let's see what would happen. Log out from here. Again, you have to fill everything. Mail. Now it takes me to the login page. So either I log in or if I'm not registered, I'll have to register. So let me log in as Nia Sharma again. Do that same thing again, and now I'll have to enter my Gmail email ID and password. I'll attach my COVID positive certificate. This is a certificate we just created for demo purposes. Send. Your email has been sent successfully. Order submitted successfully. Kindly wait for the confirmation. If you do not get a confirmation within 2 hours, it means that you're not eligible. Okay, so let's log out from the user page and let's go to the admin page. So I'll be using the restaurant admin's credentials. That same password. This is the page that it shows these are the users that have ordered food through our app. The last one is Nia Sharma. There's no confirmation, so I'll have to check this. I'll go to eligibility. Now I'll have to go to Gmail and check her COVID certificate that she submitted. Okay, so here is Nia Sharma's COVID positive certificate. So this is a COVID positive certificate with a sign and date of 23rd July 2021. Mark her eligible. Let's go. I'll have to enter email ID. format is invalid because it has to be an email ID of the type Gmail. Recheck the mail. So there's an error. Let's try again. Submitted successfully. Now, so you can see here the confirmation has come as yes. Now we need to tell the hotels about this order. So we'll enter the customer's phone number over here. Select the restaurant. Place order. Recheck your details. So the details, I have entered the wrong restaurant over here. Let's go select the correct one. Place order. Okay, so order placed successfully. And let's go check whether they got emails. So Nia Sharma. This is Nia Sharma's email account. So here your order has been placed successfully. The selected restaurant will contact you for further procedures. Thank you. So she has got a confirmation already. Now let's check the hotel's email ID. So customer Nia Sharma, mobile number, address, email ID, restaurant name and meal. All the details have reached the restaurant. So that was just to show you that the user has got a confirmation as well as the hotels have got their order. Let's log out of this admin, the restaurant admin.
The next section is the Buy Essentials section. This is mostly related to COVID essentials. These are a list of pharmacies. For example, the first one is Farm Easy. If I click on this, it will take me to the Farm Easy website. Here I can order all COVID related or medical related stuff. Now I go back. This is the COVID-19 antigen rapid self-test kit. This is the link to buy the kit. If I click here, it takes me to the website where I can buy the same. Here are the details. This section is the step-by-step guide for COVID-19 self-testing. So all the steps are mentioned here.
So let's go to the important information and see what's there. So here, as you can see, there is COVID-19, the basic symptoms, prevention and treatment, vaccination centers in Goa, quarantine centers in Goa, and medical oxygen factories and services in Goa. So under COVID-19 symptoms, prevention and treatment, these are the three things that come. First is the symptoms, the most common symptoms, less common symptoms, and serious symptoms. The serious symptoms are the ones that need immediate medical treatment. Then there is prevention given and treatment. These treatments are for people showing mild symptoms or people who are asymptomatic symptoms, and people showing these symptoms or dip in oxygen saturation, mental confusion or inability to arouse are needed to seek medical attention immediately. Let's go back and check vaccination centers. Okay, under vaccination centers, here's a list of all the vaccination centers in Goa. The type of vaccine, these are the type of vaccines they give. This is the fee, the address, and this is the eligibility age. And so these are all the centers in Goa. Let's go back and now let's see quarantine centers. So under quarantine centers, our app provides information of quarantine centers in Goa. These are the names of the quarantine centers, the room type, the starting price, the location, phone numbers of the people in charge of the respective facility. These are the facilities that they provide. Now let's see medical oxygen factories in Goa. So this is information on all the medical oxygen factories in Goa. This is the name of the factories and their location. This is the delivery information, that is if they provide or no, and if they provide, which regions do they provide. These are the items or services they provide. So if you need any, you can contact these numbers, any of these numbers, to get further information. So this is the last section, that is a feedback section. Here the user simply has to answer the questions asked about the app. How convenient is the app? How satisfied are you regarding the quality of the app? Is there anything that can be improved? Any other suggestions? After answering all the questions, you just need to submit your response. Now let's go and check the responses in the admin section. Before that, we'll just log out from the user's account. So we'll log into the admin account. Here we'll be using the management admin's credentials. After logging in, you'll get this page. Here all the answers to each question from all the users is displayed. So let's log out from the admin's account. So that is it for our app. Thank you.